Good morning, beta. Okay, the characters.
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody else is interested in becoming any of the character,
Yes, ma'am.
anybody else, you want to read which? Mac, what character?
Ma'am, anyone.
Anyone? Okay, so Sumit or Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा अपना कोई कैरेक्टर इनको दे दो.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumit was Mr. Lamb.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mac, you can take it. Okay, and Derry, if anybody is interested to become, because Sumit and Aishwarya got the chance of reading. Anybody else
Ma'am, may I?
besides Mac? Divya, you want to become?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Divya and Mehak. Is it fine, Sumit and Aishwarya?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो फिर शुरू करो बेटा चलो. Now page number 59, okay, and just begin.
It's all relative, Beauty and the Beast.
Okay,
What's it supposed to mean?
loudly, Mehak, okay? Yes, read it better.
Derry,
What's it supposed to mean?
Derry, not able to
you tell
listen.
me.
You need not think they have not all told me that fairy
Arey,
story
it's
before.
not audible, your voice is not audible. Okay now, ठीक है. चलो अब वापस से read करो फटाफट.
It's
need
all
not-
relative, Beauty and the Beast.
Yes.
What's it supposed to mean?
You tell me.
You need not think they have not all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. Handsome is a handsome. Thus, Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he would have stayed a monstrous beast. I won't change.
Okay. Now what happens that Derry, he says that the things that are mentioned by Mr. Lamb, all these things are non-living things. But Mr. Lamb, he replies that all these things, it's all relative. Relative means all this is related to each other. Okay. Just like, and then he gives the example. Have you listened to the story of the Beauty and the Beast? Have you listened to the story?
Yes, ma'am.
In which a beautiful princess, she loves a beast, and later on when she kisses the beast he turns into a handsome prince. Okay, so if you have not seen it, just go on the YouTube and watch it. Okay, right? So he says, Mr. Lamb, he tries to explain that everything is related to each other, just like beauty is related to the beast. Okay, that is a beautiful creation, it is related to ugliness. Now, you tell me, okay, you needn't think they haven't told me. They means he wants to say they means his family members, they did not tell him that fairy story before. He says, of course, even my parents and all my family members, they have told me this. Uh, this story of Beauty and the Beast before. He had heard it from the people or maybe from the family members. Uh, then he says it is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. Handsome is the handsome does beauty love the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. And now he was somewhat this thing. He became somewhat optimistic, and he says, of course, he had heard people narrating the story. His family members narrated him the story, and he says that beauty is not related to the appearance. Actual beauty is what's the inner beauty. Okay, inner beauty is the real beauty, and then he says that even a handsome man is the one who does something good rather than looks good. Got it? ये जो proverb है, handsome is as handsome does means doing something good is related to handsomeness, okay, not the outer appearance, he wants to say. And then he said that the story he narrates in short, that a girl, she loved a beast, and once that girl, she kissed him, and on kissing him, the beast, it changes into a handsome prince. Okay. And then he says that only he would have stayed a monstrous beast. And then he says he wouldn't have changed if she hadn't kissed him. But then he says that he won't change, and he means he is talking about himself. Okay. कहता है कि वो beast change नहीं होता if the beauty wouldn't have kissed him. But nothing this kind of is going to happen with him. Okay, he will ever remain the same. He will never change. Clear or not? Derry will never
Yes, ma'am.
change. He just speaks about himself. Is this para clear, or should I explain it once again?
Clear, ma'am.
No, ma'am, clear.
Clear,
Clear?
ma'am.
अच्छा चलो फिर बेटा आगे का पढ़िए. Hurry up.
In that way, no, you wouldn't.
And no one will kiss me ever, only my mother. And she kisses me on the other side of my face. And I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Why should I like that? I don't care if anybody ever kisses me.
Oh, but you care if you never kiss them?
What?
Girls, pretty girls, long hairs and large eyes, people you love,
Who would let me? Not one.
who can tell?
I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I will look the same. I will still only have half a face.
So you will, but the world wouldn't. The world's got a whole face and the world's there to be looked at.
Do you think this is the world, this old garden?
When I am here, not the only one, but the world, as much as anywhere.
Does your leg hurt you?
Then doesn't hurt, boy?
When it came off, did it?
Certainly.
And now, I mean, where the tin stops, at the top.
Okay. Just wait up till here. I'll explain. Okay. Let me explain the above conversation. Okay. And then he says that he will never change. Why? Because there wouldn't be any girl who would kiss him because of his ugliness. In that way, no, you won't. Means in that way, if you are going to have this kind of attitude, if you are going to have this kind of negative thoughts, surely you will never change, Mr. Lamb says. And no one will kiss me ever. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Okay. Now he says that he is very pessimistic, बड़ा उदास सा हो जाता है ना, निराशावादी है वो, and he says nobody is going to kiss me, but only my mother, she kisses me. Why? Because she is my mother. She has to kiss me. Okay, and that too on the other side of my face, not on the side that has been burnt. Okay, why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses. Okay, and he says, then why should I like that? My mother, she kisses. Why? Because she has to do it. Alright, got it? However ugly a child is, but still mother loves mother loves her child too much. Okay, whether the child is dark complexion, whether the child is very ugly looking, whether the child is physically not fit. Okay, kaisa bhi bachcha ho, mother, she always loves her child. Okay, so similarly, even Daddy says ki except my mother, nobody is going to kiss me, no one will ever kiss me, and my mother does kiss me. Okay, she kisses me. Why? Because she has to. ना तो करना ही है, being a mother. Okay, and then कुछ attitude वो अपना बताता है और कहता है कि yes, even I don't care if anybody never kisses me or nobody ever kisses me. But do you care if you never kiss them? Now Mr. Lamb थोड़ा सा humorous हो जाते हैं and उसको थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक करते हैं कि even if you care, you never kiss those girls. What? Now he's confused. Whom now? Girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love. Now Mr. Lamb says, yeah, of course I'm talking about girls, pretty girls, with long hair and beautiful eyes, and the people you love. Okay, do you care to kiss them? Who would let me? Not one. Of course, this child was right, isn't it? कहता who would let me kiss her? Not a single person is there, not a single girl is there who would ever let me kiss her, isn't it? सही बोला ना उसने कि कोई गर्ल ऐसी नहीं है जो मुझे किस करने देगी. Okay, why? Because he looks so ugly and people were afraid on seeing his face. Who can tell? I won't ever look different when I'm as old as you. I'll look the same. I'll still only have half a face. Okay. अब वो उसका भी कहना सही था कि I will never look different. Even when I'll become as old as you are, I will always be the same. I'm going to have only half the face then also. After many years, okay, the same appearance will be there. So you will, but the world won't. The world's got a whole face and the world is there to be looked at. Of course you have, but the world won't, you know. The world does not have half the face. Means the world, you know, it looks at both the sides of the coin. Okay, दोनों तरफ ही देखती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि if somebody is ugly, the world does not accept him. ये भी सिर्फ एक thoughts and negative thoughts and Eddie के. Okay, so many people we see around, beta, they are not good looking, but still they have inner beauty in them. Okay, and people, they love them, they approach them, they talk to them, they are friendly with them. And the world is there to be looked at. And he says in the world there are so many beautiful things to be looked at. Do you think this is the world, this whole garden? Derry कहता है तुम क्या समझ रहे हो? This is the world, this whole garden. When I'm here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere. Does your leg hurt you? Now he changes the topic, okay? And he says, of course, when I'm here, it is the world for me. And then he changes the topic. Does your leg hurt you? Okay. Tin doesn't hurt boy. Okay, tin जो है, why? Because आधा पैर क्या होता है, artificial होता है ना, tin का लगा हुआ होता है. So Mr. Lamb, he says that it does not hurt. When it came off, did it? When it was blown, ठीक है? जब hurt हुआ था, certainly, surely, yes. Then reading.
Yes, ma'am. And now, I mean, where the tin stops at the top.
And now I mean where the tin stops. Okay, where is the tin stopping? जहां तक पैर कटा हुआ था उसके बाद क्या था बेटा, आर्टिफिशियल लेग, यू नो, वो था, इट वाज मेड अप ऑफ टिन. ओके, तो वो क्या करता था, आर्टिफिशियल पैर अपना लगा लेता था. ओके, so he says where it joins with the artificial one, with the original one, there it pains or not. Okay, there it hurts or not. Yes.
Now and
Mr.
then in wet
हाँ.
weather, it doesn't signify.
Oh, that's something else they all say. Look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves.
I have not said it.
And think of all those people worse off than you. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to live in a wheelchair or be daft in your head and dribble.
Okay.
And that's all true, and you know it.
Okay, 1 minute, beta. Now he says, okay, does your leg, it hurts you where the tin stops? So Mr. Lamb जवाब देता है, of course, now and then कभी कभी होता है, especially in wet weather, it doesn't signify. Oh, that is something else they all say. Now he's talking about the people, what do they say? कहते हैं लोग बाग क्या कहते हैं? Look at those, at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. कहते हैं, I've heard so many times people saying that just look at those people who are in pain, but still they are brave. They never cry, they never complain, and they don't even feel sorry for themselves. They don't feel pity for themselves. Okay, I haven't said it. तो जब वो कहता है हाँ कभी कभी दर्द होता है, तो कहता है दर्द होता है, अरे लोग बाग तो ये कहते हैं कि उन लोगों को देखो कितने लोग हैं, those who are in pain, है ना, lot of pain they are suffering from, but still they are brave, they do not cry, they do not complain to anybody, and they do not even feel sorry for themselves, they do not have pity on themselves. So Mr. Lamb कहता है, I haven't said it, I did not say such things. and think of all those people worse off than you. And then Derry, he says, just think of people who are worse than, okay, जो तुमसे भी खराब हैं, है ना, उन लोगों के बारे में सोचो. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to live in a wheelchair or be deaf in your head and rebel. And then he says that हो सकता है कि इससे bad भी it might have happened with you, है ना, he might have become blind, or he might have born deaf, or he might have been handicapped, okay, and might have to remain in a wheelchair all his life, right? And maybe he might have even born with a mental disorder. Deft in your head and rebel मतलब mental disorder के साथ हो सकता है, जन्म हो सकता था, है ना. तो मिस्टर लैम कहते हैं of course, है ना, all this is true and you know it, है ना, you know so much, means he knows, means he is very this thing beta, quite intelligent also, this child, and he says कि इससे words भी condition तुम्हारी हो सकती थी. He is telling to Mr. Lamb, okay, you might have born deaf, you might have born, you might have been blind, you might have been handicapped, you might have been what, mentally distracted, okay, dribbling means the mouth watering all the time, this and that, okay. So Mr. Lam कहते हैं, of course, that's fine, you know it, of course, तुम्हें मालूम है, all these things are true. Yes,
It won't make my
it
it won't
won't.
make my face change.
Hmm.
Change. Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman and she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That's a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love.
Hmm.
So you believe everything you hear then?
It was cruel.
Maybe not meant as such, just something said between them.
Only I heard it. I heard.
And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone says in your life?
Oh no, I have heard a lot of things.
So now you keep your ears shut?
You are peculiar. You say peculiar things.
Peculiar,
You
yes,
ask
you're very
questions.
strange, yes.
You ask questions I don't understand.
I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gates is open.
Yes, but
I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. When you listen to bees for a long while, they hum and hum means sing, and I hear them singing my bees.
but I like it here. I came in because I liked it. When I looked over the wall,
If you had seen me, you had not come in.
no,
No,
it would have been trespassing.
Trespassing, yes.
that's not why.
I don't like being near people when they stare, when I see them being afraid of me.
Okay, just wait, but I'll explain it, okay. And that is all true and you know it, but all these things won't change my face. Jerry कहता है, okay. Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop. A woman, she went by me, मतलब she passed by me in the street. कहता है, I was standing at the bus stop. He was standing at the bus stop, and she was with another woman. The woman who passed by him, she was there with another woman. One more woman was there with him. Two of the women were there. Then this woman, she looked at me and she said, उसने डैडी को देखा, and she spoke to other woman. Whispered means in a very soft voice, and only I heard it. वो कहता है उन दोनों की बात में, जब वो फर्स्ट वाली she talked to the other woman who was there with her, कहता है only he was there who listened to her. She said, और उसने बोला था, look at that, that is a terrible thing, that's a face only a mother could love. और कहते हैं मेरे फेस को देखकर वो बोली थी कि इट्स अ वेरी टेरिबल थिंग, सच अ अगली थिंग, अ मदर कुड लव ओनली दिस काइंड ऑफ फेस, नोबडी एल्स. तो मिस्टर लैम कहता है, सो यू बिलीव एवरीथिंग यू हियर, देन इट मींस व्हाटएवर यू लिसन यू जस्ट ट्रस्ट ऑन इट, यू बिलीव ऑन इट. Derry says it was very cruel, no, it was very bad. maybe not meant as much, just something said between them. कहते हैं हो सकता है इतना meaning नहीं हो जितना meaning you are trying to distract from their talks. Okay, maybe it had been something else between them only, some other topic they might be talking on, किसी और चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे होंगे. Derry says no, only I heard it. I heard. बोलते नहीं मैंने सुना था. I listened to it. And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? कहते बस तुमने वही सुना. Anybody spoke in all your life, you have heard only that woman, okay, talking about your burnt face. Oh no, I have heard a lot of things. Then he accepts. Okay, so this thing would have become, what is it? Something very usual for him. Why? Because he might have heard lot of things from other people. लेकिन हर चीज को वो बड़ा seriously ले लेता था when people they talked of him, they talked of his face or something like that. तो वो accept करता है. क्या कहता है वो कि yes, oh no, I have heard a lot of things. Okay, जब कहते हैं कि कैसे तुमने first time you heard that woman talking about the ugly face or the terrible thing or your face, only first time you have heard, बोलते नहीं नहीं, I have heard a lot of things. So now you keep your ears shut. Mr. Lamb कहते okay fine, then keep your ears shut. Okay, just try to avoid all these things. You are peculiar means you are very strange. You say peculiar things, you ask questions, I don't understand. Now he gets somewhat puzzled and he says, you're very peculiar, you know, you say very strange things and you ask questions that I do not understand. See, what does Mr. Lamb answer? I like to talk, I like to have company. He says, of course, I like to talk and I love the company of the people. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is open. Now he says, it is not necessary that you should answer all my questions. Don't answer them. Okay? And then you don't need to stop here also. Nobody is there to stop you. Okay? Just move out. The gate is open. Yes, but okay, now वो थोड़ा सा घबरा जाता है when Mr. Lamb he becomes somewhat very blunt. वो कहता है but तो Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there, okay? Some hear bees and they say bees buzz. यही होता है ना, bees buzzing होती है, right? But when you listen to bees for a long time, they hum and hum means sound, okay? Now he says, it has already been said that bees buzz, okay? Buzzing of the bees, you know, buzzing sound बोला जाता है in English. Okay, जो sounds वो निकालती हैं. But according to Mr. Lamb, he says कि whenever I listen to the bees, you know, for a long time, ऐसा नहीं लगता they are buzzing, but they are humming. Okay, and for me, hum means sing. I hear them singing, my bees. और मुझे लगता है bees, they are not buzzing, you know, but they are singing all the time, my bees. But I like it here. I came in because I liked it when I looked over the wall. Now Derry says, you know, he was somewhat startled and somewhat he got panicked when he says, you can move out. So कहता है, you know, I like this place. I came in because I liked it. When I just looked over the wall, you know, I like this garden. Mr. Lamb says, if you would have seen me, you would not have come in. Okay, if you would have seen me sitting in the garden, surely you wouldn't have climbed the wall and entered the garden. Okay, why did Daddy enter? You remember? Because he saw that nobody was there in the garden. इसलिए वो enter हुआ था. तो कहते हैं यदि तुमने मुझे देखा होता तो surely you wouldn't have entered. No. Then it would have been trespassing. Trespassing समझते हो ना, एक आम रास्ता. Okay, without permission where you enter. That is not why. I don't like being near people when they stare, when I see them being afraid of me. Okay, and then he says, you know, the main thing is I never like people. I don't like people. I don't want to be with them. I don't want to be in the company. Why? Because they stare at me. Okay, and then I see them staring, and at the same time I see them that they are afraid of me. They are scared of me. They get feared, you know, they become scared of me because of my burnt face. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
God
Yes,
bless.
ma'am.
God bless
Yes,
you,
ma'am.
children. God bless you.